Hello students, today we are going to find the solution of linear equations by method of reduction. Okay, so let the equations are 2x plus y equal to 5, number 1, 3x plus 5y equal to minus 3. This is number 2. Now first of all we transform these equations in the matrix form. So we write given equations can be represented in matrix form as, so we have two equations, two variable, so we make a matrix of the order 2 by 2, then order 2 by 1, and then one more matrix of the order 2 by 1. This would be variable matrix having the elements x and y. So from the first equation we find out the numbers. The numbers are 2, 1 and 5. So 2 and 1, which are the coefficients of the variables, will be written on the left hand side matrix, and 5 will be written on the matrix which is on the right hand side. Similarly, from second equation we get the numbers 3, 5 and minus 3. Okay, now students, we are going to apply the method of reduction. What is that? So for that method, first of all you should know what is a triangular matrix. Now suppose this is a matrix, so this is called as diagonal of a matrix. Okay, so those elements which are on this diagonal are called as diagonal matrix. Suppose I have 1 and 2. Now suppose I have one element over here and one element over here, right? So if those elements lying below the diagonal are 0, this is called as upper triangular matrix. You got the concept? What is upper triangular matrix? So it is a matrix in which all the elements below diagonal are always 0. Okay, so that kind of matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. So what we are going to do? So we are going to transform this matrix in the upper triangular matrix. Okay, so for that purpose, first of all let's find the diagonal. It is here. So below diagonal we have 3. Okay, so we need to transform this 3 into 0. So how do we do? So for that purpose we can use these two elements, 3 and 2. So I have 3, I have 2, I want to make this one as 0. So what kind of operation is possible? So let's multiply this 3 by 2 and this 2 by 3. So both are going to be 6, and then do the subtraction. Alright, now this 3 is coming from R2, this 2 is coming from R1. So our operation should be 2R2 minus 3R1. So we are going to change R2. So therefore we say R2 gives 2R2 minus 3R1. Alright, okay, let's apply this operation. So we copy the formats of the matrices. R1 will be copied, this XY matrix copied, and this phi copied. Okay, now we go for this elements. So by going for this operation, 2 into, for these two elements, 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2, that is going to be 0. So we get 0. Similarly, now for the next two elements, this one, we have 2 into 5 minus 3 into 1. So that should be 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, on the same lines we go to the next matrix. It is here. For these two elements we will write 2 into minus 3 minus 3 into 5. So if you simplify, you are going to get minus 6 minus 15 minus 21. So I have written here minus 21. All right, now look at this first matrix. We have diagonal, and below diagonal we have 0, isn't it? So this is transformed into upper triangular matrix. So we stop all the operations. Remember what I said? Stop all the operations. Once you transform your given matrix into the upper triangular matrix, stop. Okay, no further operation will be required. All right, because we are going to reduce, we are going to use reduction method. So what is to be done in reduction method? Reduce the matrix in upper triangular, what we have done right now. Okay, now for the part, after simplifying up to this one, we multiply this matrices which are on the left hand side. Okay, so remember now, first row, first column, so 2 into x plus 1 into y. Then we don't have further column, so second row now will be used, so that should be 0 into x plus 7 into y. On the right hand side, matrix remains same, so let us simplify. That should be 2x plus y, this is 7y, this is 5n minus 21. So on the left we have a matrix whose order is 2 by 1. On the right also we have order 2 by 1. So we will say by equality of matrices. Alright. So we get 2x plus y equal to 5. Call this one as number 1. And 7y equal to minus 21. By the way, we can solve this equation, and y should be equal to minus 3. This is number 2. So we got value of y. Now we need to find the value of x. So from 1 we get 2x plus the value of y is minus 3 equal to 5. So on further simplification, that should be 5 plus 3. Alright, so we get 2x is equal to 8, therefore x equal to 4. So we have found both the values of variables x as well as y. So final answer, hence required hence required solution is x comma y equal to 4 comma minus 3. So this is the way of finding the solutions by using reduction method. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, thank you.